So guys, I have only used this almond cream for 3 days straight and my face is glowing. This is the after of just 3 days of use, and I will show you the before and you guys will be shocked. It is amazing. You need to try it. Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm your internet beauty pharmacist. I love absolutely everything related to beauty, and on my channel I share a ton of DIYs, lots of tips and tricks, as well as lifestyle rituals which I follow personally and really believe in. I would love for you guys to stick around and be part of my Immians family, as I upload every single week, and I love to experiment and try new products. So I would love to know what you guys want to see and want me to try, so let me know in the comments below, and let's move right into the video. Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing a DIY night cream made from all natural ingredients, and this will seriously change your skincare routine and your skin, and you guys are going to go crazy after using it because I have found amazing results using it. So about a year ago I did upload another night cream, a DIY night cream, which went viral and millions of people have tried it, which is my DIY rice cream, and I absolutely love that cream as well. I used it for a really long time, but I thought, you know, let's change things up a bit, and this treatment or this night cream is honestly, I think it's a little bit better than that cream anyways. So you guys are gonna go crazy because it is so easy to make. It turns out like a beautiful paste, and that's my daughter in the back. So all you need are almonds, and I've actually used half a cup of almonds to make like about, I would say, 150 mils of cream. And what you need to do is you actually need to soak your almonds for up to 3 hours. If you're lazy, you can just leave them overnight, and like the next morning when you wake up, they will be really soft and the skin will come off easily. With me, I pretty much just soaked them for about 3 hours and the skin was soft, and I peeled them all. So when you do soak them, you want to keep that water. So there's a few things that you can actually do with the actual water. You can actually make almond milk with this mixture, and you can use almond milk as a toner for your skin if you want to. But what I actually use it for is my actual cream. So to make my cream, I need a blender. Just use any sort of blender, but I would actually recommend using a high-speed blender. So I've made this cream a few times and I've tested different blenders, and I feel like a high-speed blender makes a smoother cream. So if you don't have a high-speed blender, I would give you a tip in the end of the video. So guys, to my almond cream, I actually only include about 3 other ingredients. So I'm gonna add extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is so good for anti-aging, such good fats, and it's gonna really plump up your skin. I know that Spanish people love using extra virgin olive oil as, you know, a beauty item. They eat it, and obviously people all around the world use it as well. The other thing we're gonna use is almond oil. So the reason we're using fresh almonds and almond oil is because almonds are so packed with vitamin E. They are also really great at like reversing sun damage, which is so good because if you've got like dark spots, if you've got hyperpigmentation, acne marks, anything like that, this treatment, this cream will actually reverse that like whole process, and it's going to give you really clear, beautiful, soft skin. So the other ingredient that I include, which is my last ingredient, is aloe vera. So the reason I actually use the aloe vera is because it is packed with vitamin A, C, and also anti-inflammatory properties. So this cream is so good because it's got vitamin A, E, C, and anti-inflammatory properties and anti-aging properties. So you're gonna be like covered for all bases. You don't need any crazy expensive serums. This cream will change your skin. So the way I've been using it is I've been using it every single night. It is so good for winter time, but I've been using it in the daytime too. What you need to do is you apply it to your skin and let it absorb. Your skin will absorb this cream straight away. Give it a minute and it will literally absorb. I've even got it all over my hands and my arms, and it absorbed really well. And then if you've got a blender which isn't that powerful and you've got like tiny almond grains, they will pretty much just fall off your face. After using this cream, you can use makeup, and one thing that I do recommend is to store this cream in the fridge because it does have water in it, like the water that we blended the almonds with, so it can smell up a bit, so the best way to keep it is in the fridge. So you can actually store this cream in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. And what I want you to do is I want you to try my miracle almond cream, and I want you to hashtag me DIY with Immy, and I want you to share your experience with me and show me your creams, show me your results. Before and after skin pictures are amazing. I will share them on my YouTube, and yeah, we can be a DIY family. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Please do try this cream out. It is so amazing. I feel like it's one of the best DIYs and one of the best creams I've ever shared on my channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.